I feel it's important to make it known that I provided the office of Michael Chitwood, Volusia County Sheriff Chitwood, his office, the Office of Internal Affairs, hard copy photocopies of fraudulent documentation traced off of clerk.org, in which fraud judgments were created in my name. They were advertising my social security number for I don't know how long. And then when I was forced to repay a fine a second time, they cleared 3 fraudulent judgments from 10 years previous, that from totally unrelated cases. I provided hard copy proof of all of this to Michael Chitwood's office on February 3rd, 2023. Specifically that date, that specific complaint was a 27-page complaint, and it highlighted all the fraud, and they found no wrongdoing. Less than 2.5 weeks later, Judge Dawn Nichols calls me into court for a competency evaluation where she called me delusional repeatedly, and then turned to my attorney and asked my attorney, Kevin Pitts, if my delusions were preventing him from representing me properly. And then she told me how smart I was, completely contradicting herself, and then allowed me to leave and ruled me competent only for now. This specific performance absolutely links her to the criminal activity taking place behind the scenes in Volusia County. There is a group shrouded in secrecy behind the scenes in Volusia County, Florida, that is the controlling force, and allowed all these attacks on myself and my family. You know, I'm a single father caring for my children. I'm just attacked out of nowhere, all the way down to now why I'm on felony probation and convicted felon because my attorney conveniently failed to let me know I had to appear at a docket sounding, and less than 15 hours later, local law enforcement unlawfully kicked my father's front door in and 35 to 40 feet into my own home, tackled me, assaulted me, and then charged me with resisting. This is a federal crime. That's unlawful as all get out. You're not allowed to kick somebody's door in for a failure to appear. They had no warrant for my home. They had a warrant for my arrest, which if my attorney wasn't dirty, that wouldn't have even been the case. But I had a dirty attorney, Kevin J. Pitts out of Sanford, Florida. The man is a criminal. Don't ever hire him, okay? He's a liar and a criminal, and I'll say it to his face. So that's just what it is. I feel obligated to report all this because it's been reported to the FBI. The truth can only be denied for so long. There's fraud happening, money laundering, there's bad stuff going on, and there are people in power, in very powerful positions in Volusia County that know about it and have implicated themselves. Judge Randall Rowe absolutely has, and Judge Dawn Nichols absolutely have implicated themselves, and obviously the office of Michael Chitwood, who just denies obvious fraud. You know, that is a very, very big problem, one that absolutely needs to be addressed. And I feel, even though I'm totally been victimized and I'm a convicted felon because I didn't get my right to a fair trial, I feel obligated to speak out so these people cannot continue to hurt innocent people the way they did me. You know, so it's just, I feel it's very important. So good luck, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.